Well, it's a new day. We treated ourselves and slept in a little bit because today is our 10-year wedding anniversary.
Yep, and for our honeymoon, we took our Jayco at the time and spent a week in Gettysburg.
Yep.
So here we are for another anniversary on the road.
On another adventure together. We're spending our day doing exactly the thing that we love to do the most, which is travel and be together. So
it's kind of sad when we have to pack up and leave because we're just now leaving Mobile, Alabama.
yeah.
But onward.
Yep, we had a great time when we were there, and we're definitely looking forward to our next adventure. We are making a pit stop.
Finally made it through Birmingham.
Ooh. There was a big accident that we had been watching the whole ride north, pretty much.
On Google Maps.
Yeah, on Google Maps. Waiting to see if we needed a detour or what, and we just, when we rolled through, it had just been cleaned up, so we really lucked out in that.
Yeah, we're just kind of taking I-65 north, jumping off now north side of Birmingham to fuel up. Since I fuel up pretty much only at Flying J.
For the most part.
But it works out great because we use our pilot card. We get a discount of like 5 cents a gallon. They've got RV fuel lanes, dump stations, fresh water. They got everything you need.
And even RV parking lanes, so like if we need to pull off and make lunch, walk the dogs, etc., it's a little more convenient than your typical fuel stop.
Yeah, even if I'm like between a half to full anywhere in there and I come up on a Flying J, I will stop, top off, and then keep going.
Yep.
Because it just works out so good.
Yep, and it gives the chance for the dogs to get out, go to the bathroom, walk around, get some water, etc. Well, right now we've made a detour due to 3 accidents within, I'd say, 5 to 10 mile span of I-65 north.
Yeah, one of them was a fatality, so that sucks. But Decatur looks like a nice little town.
Yeah, right now we are rolling through Decatur,
Alabama. Alabama!
Yeah, he's been wanting to say that at almost every opportunity while in Alabama.
Well, there is a lot of traffic in front of us. If we would have stayed on 65, we'd have been at a standstill.
Not only that, but we would have been stopped for hours, is pretty much what the consensus of the CB radio is. We're telling us is be prepared to sit for 2 hours, 3 accidents, fatality,
Truck on fire.
truck on, semi truck on fire. These separate. The fatality was a SUV rear-ended a big truck, a semi, and the semi's rear DOT bumper was in the back seat of the SUV. So either they didn't try to stop or they tried at the very last second and it was just way too late. So that's unfortunate. Just pay attention, pretty much.
Here we are in US 31 North.
We'll make our way through there, and pretty soon we'll be back in Tennessee.
Made it to Tennessee.
We decided to come back for more.
Yes, we decided let's try Nashville again. We got about 80 miles to get to Nashville. CMA Fest is done, it's over, so.
Yeah, that's long been done for quite some time now. So we're gonna give it another whirl, see how it goes. Right now, looking at the traffic on Google Maps, it looks like a catastrophe.
What do you expect? It's like this time of day, it's 5:30.
Yeah.
Every big city on Google Maps is just red accidents.
Yeah.
So it's just
How it goes.
it's just how you play the game.
Yeah, that's the price we pay for sleeping in, right? Really.
Well, this is why I only ever want to travel at night. For me, that's all I ever want to do is travel at night.
What's your slogan?
The nighttime is the right time.
So far, that's always been true. Even when we get little slowdowns here and there, it's not like, there's 3 accidents within 5 miles of each other, and you're going to be backed up for 2 hours, so. Is this an anniversary present?
Yes, it is. Happy anniversary.
Oh my. This looks nice.
Here we are.
Ooh.
I should have bought firewood.
M6?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Ooh. Check out these gigs. Got ourselves a big old fire pit. Bench. Rocking bench. Table and chairs. So how did you score this?
I used my magic powers.
Oh.
Called a credit card.
True that.
So this is how we do our anniversary dinner. We do it right. Steak, camping.
Hell yeah.
Glamping, I'm sorry, it's glamping.
Just the way you like it.
And that is why she cooks and I drive.
Because it's the way he likes it. So all you haters over there, you're going to say it's too cooked. Trust me, he's picky.
Yeah, a little bit. But I can drive anything with wheels on it.
True. Mine should be a little bit better. Mine's medium. Perfect.
If you say so. It is about 10:45 at night.
Yeah, it is.
It's been a good day.
It's been a really good day. It's kind of been long, but very successful and enjoyable.
Yeah, we had our steak dinner, we had a campfire, and then we took the dogs for a walk around the campground in the dark. It's like their favorite thing to do.
Yeah, and that really wore them out because they're both sleeping right now, quietly.
But it's crazy because as we walked around, including our trailer, there's 6 Airstreams here.
That was probably the most surprising thing that we saw.
Yeah, we're like, oh, there's one, oh, there's another one.
And from all ages and sizes.
Yeah.
There's big ones, little ones, old ones, and new ones.
Yeah,
So-
we've never stayed somewhere where there was more than like us and one other one.
No, we're at East Harbor and there was 3 total.
Oh, including us. Yeah, there was 3 there. Tomorrow, we're probably gonna head into town, maybe get in the pool,
Yeah,
just bum around Nashville.
pretty much show you what the town has to offer, I guess. We'll try to experience some of that for ourselves. I've been here before on a work trip, so
Yep, so it should be a good day tomorrow as well.
catch you guys later.
See ya.
So Mikey, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go into town and walk around, and I don't know.
Sounds like a good plan to me.